on the boat. We've had lots of discussions and I've explained everything on the boat. And so we're here. And then she goes, I should tell you that I'm a vegetarian. How many things have I said, we eat lots of fish? And then I make it a joke, we eat lots of fish. Oh, and by the way, did I mention we eat lots of fish? Oh, and we also have fish for dessert. Yes, I said a lot that we eat a lot of fish.
I knew that.
Okay, so it would have been good to let me know that you've been a vegetarian for the last 8 years.
But let me say something. I told you it's not gonna be a problem. I'm gonna eat the fish. It's gonna be fine. So don't worry.
Right.
Don't worry. I'm not gonna throw it all out.
All right. Good. All right. So we're eating the fish. That's good. We had another. See, I'm very. What's it the saying? Once bitten, twice shy. I've had another vegetarian come on board and said, yeah, I'm going to eat the fish. And then she ate everything else but the fish. We're supposed to be away for 21 days. We had to come back after 8 because she ate every single vegetable, all the tins, everything.
I promise you guys I'm not going to be that person.
Yeah, well, I do have a life raft. I'll just push you out in it. Anyway, that's the things you discover with new crew. I don't know.
Sorry.
I did say to her last night, if you did tell me that, you wouldn't have come on the trip. So...
I'm pretty lucky.
Yeah, well, we'll see how it goes. I might drop you off. I'm not sure if I've mentioned in a previous episode Sally's cleaning up technique, or should I say smearing technique. We're still finding lots of Sally treasures. I mean, this is Sally's clean. It's more like a smearing. So, or a wiping of the plate. There's no cleaning, it's just wiping. Anyway, found some more here. Here we go. I know this seems a bit picky, but I don't know if you can see that. This apparently is clean. What we try to do is we try to be as clean as possible, because when you're on a boat and you get sick, you're out at sea and you can't get to a doctor. Not that I go to doctors anyway, but when you have crew and they're used to going to doctors and they get sick, well, you just can't get them to a doctor. So we try and keep things clean. So good on you, Sal. Well done. We're still cleaning up after you, sweetheart. Whoops. I put the plate back. The lovely Jules is going to do all the cleaning up.
Thanks,
She's
Sal.
gonna. What do you say?
Thanks, Sal.
Jolly morning. We're in a reef in the middle of nowhere. I still haven't looked up the name. I think it's, I don't know what it is. Sun's just risen. We've got our Techo Drono expert. He would have been invited to the boat even if he didn't have a drone. Maybe in a year or two. Alright, we got another drone. This is drone, what is it?
Slow Pro, waterproof drone.
Waterproof drone. Drone test number 2. I'm filming this because I'm hoping something will go wrong. Good-o. Well, I wasn't filming and guess what happened? Yep, Gonzo is fitting into this boat. Great. We crashed the drone. You can see marks on the deck.
It's just a rough landing.
All the legs are broken. Look, there's one leg down there. The other leg there. It's alright, I'll bodgy it up. It's all good. How are we going, Spotter?
Pretty good.
So you can see this by me here. Just here.
Yeah.
So we're going to shave that and we're going to go past. But you got to see if there's any other bombies because it's hard from here.
Yeah.
Look at all the bombies. Alright, so I should be paying attention to Gonzo. Look at that. Look at that. Alright.
Starboard.
Alright, we're good. I should be concentrating more on the driving than on the filming. Bye bye Irene Reef. It's excellent. Reef, no one around. Bloody great. And we can see Lizard Island in the distance. So it's only a short day, so let's do it.
Peter! Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh fuck!
Oh, damn it.
But
That's a nice fish.
thank you,
Yay, we have dinner!
thank you Ribbon Reef number 9. Even got to do my laps.
It's always good to keep fit.
Well, I can't start the motor with this. Anyway, that's why I always go upwind. Excellent.
Fantastic. You had to work for your wife's. That's why you went, right? You need to train. Train, Peter.
Yeah, well, do you want to have a go?
No, that's your job.
Remember, it's sailor wants a wife. The wife should be doing this. It's not girl wants a guy that provides fish.
That depends the point of view. Let's see how it works.
Yeah, not from my point of view. I'm just gutting this and this. He spat out. And this, believe it or not, is really good eating. Because it's cooked in the juices, the stomach juices. It's pickled. It's really good. This one hasn't been pickling for long because the bones are still solid, but the flesh is like it's been in vinegar or lemon juice for like 4 hours.
Regurgitated fish.
Regurgitated
Yeah.
fish. You've seen it on my blog. Pre-digested fish. Nothing but quality on Plukky Dodgy Tours.
Oh.